If you want plant related information, that is gardening related information or indoor planting information, then you can go around onto Explore GPTs right here and then scroll down and access out Planty right here, which is your plant base, that is a plant care assistant. So let me just go around over here and then ask out different things. Like, let's say for example, how do I grow a rose in my garden right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, you can see that it goes around and gives you an instructions right here. Like it says, choose the right spot and select your roses, plant your roses and water them and feed them and prune them and rest in them. And it says best in disease control, regular maintenance, and enjoy your blooms, as you can see right here, just like this. So now let's say for example, how about planting it as an indoor plant right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it's a sure thing. So choose the right road and pot and soil, light requirements and watering right here, humidity and temperature, fertilizing, pruning, and so forth, as you can see right here. So you can see that it gives me all of the details right here in order to work around with the rows right here, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.